been searching for a black and white picture of some sort to put in my bathroom that has a big wall. I thought, I know what we need. We need that big photo of the Alamo that we found.
We love to go to estate sales, and we're usually at one every weekend. And this particular weekend, it was the last day of the sale, and this beautiful picture of the Alamo was leaning against the wall. And I couldn't believe no one had picked it up yet, so I brought it home with me. Being San Antonio natives, we're always interested in San Antonio history, and coming across a panoramic picture like that, it's very rare. I had to save it. I worked with y'all before on many different projects, having prints, keychains, variety of different items made.
So that's why we ended up bringing it over here, and that's when we got all kinds of suggestions how to make a copy of it. So
to have it local, support local businesses, very important to me. So
I think it came out really nice, and it's not even heavy.
Happy to take something from last century, and I'm happy to preserve it. Anyone interested in getting photos done, unique items, printing done, give Digital ProLab a try. It'll be the best decision you ever made.
Here in San Antonio, we are a beautiful melting pot of different cultures. We have historic buildings. There's just so much here. But I know as a native San Antonian that we are only as amazing as our people, and every single person in San Antonio has a story that I think needs to be shared. So at Digital ProLab, we're where photo takers become printmakers. For us to be one of the last photo labs in this city, I think it's really, really important that as a community, we continue to embrace preservation as a medium so that we can continue to share all of our stories, our voices, our artwork. I think that prints still have a place in everybody's life. Do you have a photo worth saving? What story does it tell?